I can smell this place through my mask.
Are you sure? I changed your filters.
Doesn't smell like it.
Then make it quick.
Don't have to tell me twice.
Hello, welcome back. Box on One here. And I do hope you enjoyed that little animatic I made. It took me quite a while, and even the name for the short I'm working on isn't set in stone. There are many things I want to change, especially animation-wise. But yeah, I do hope you enjoyed that first little peek. And most of the sounds I got were from a site called Pixabay. I shouldn't say most, I made most on my own, but a lot of them are from Pixabay. It's a free, royalty free site that you can just download sounds from. So that's what I used. But yeah, I do hope you enjoyed. Um, I had to learn how to use Canva for this because CapCut was being CapCut and wouldn't let me save my project that I already completed, by the way. So I had to remake the entire thing a second time, which took probably another hour of my life. Anyway, I see you next time. This entire thing should be done, or is set to release for me as my goal, December, but I may even get it done in November. Goodbye.